Hello, just for those who want to get an update on the Minecraft map, I've now taken the code out into an app, and it's now its own piece of code rather than in the editor. And as you can see, it's running on the Raspberry Pi 400 very smoothly. And I've also put a walking animations in there, jump, and so on, so we can actually whiz around our map, all collision detection. The only thing it's not colliding with at the moment is the trees. That's deliberate for now, but I'm still working on those different things. But just to give you a very quick preview of what's going on. Also, the other thing I've done is actually updating blocks. So if I want to, I can change the color of these blocks as I go along. So that shows I can actually start to mine into my landscape. And so as I'm just hitting return at the moment, it's adding blocks the same sort of level as the ground. So anyway, I thought I'd give you just a very quick update on what's going on, so you can see what's happening. And I plan to finish this code fairly soon now, just so I can actually mine the blocks, so I can point and click at the block and either mine it or add a block. So you can add wood or earth or whatever it might be. Actually, I'm cheating a little bit here because the texture pack I'm using actually isn't from Minecraft. You might have noticed, for those of you who play Minecraft, but it's actually the SurvivalCraft, which I quite enjoy, to be honest. I quite enjoy SurvivalCraft, so I've pinched it. So sorry, Kaalus, I will give it back. But I've just borrowed it for testing for now, just to test. But it's a nice set of textures. And and also with the shading, I've also put lighting in under the tree, shading under the trees, if you like, so the trees now affect how bright something is underneath. So we go into some quite dark section of trees, everything is quite shaded underneath. So the shadows have improved. I've now put the block textures in there, so we can actually mine, and everything's updated in real time. And so I'm just going to lastly show how this works on the Pi0. Switched over to the Pi0, and as you can see, it's running really smoothly. We have reduced the number of chunks, as I mentioned last time in the last video. It's around about 5 or 6 chunks, and in fact we can only see about 2 or 3 chunks ahead of us in this particular scene, because it's quite heavily forested, and also it's quite it's quite a rugged terrain. So but you can see that it really is very easily operational. We can also change the color of the blocks on the ground. That's all operating very quickly. You can also expect normal mining to be that fast, and also adding or taking away blocks. So so yeah, it's really nice and slick. From what I was expecting from the Pi0. It was really quite gludgy last time, so here we with these few improvements with the reduction of the chunks, it is now much faster than I was previously expecting. So anyway, I thought I'd give that update for you, and just to see how this blocks code is getting on. So thanks again for watching.